Ever find yourself endlessly dragging column dividers to make your Excel data readable? We've all been there, squinting at cut-off text or wasting precious seconds manually resizing columns. But what if I told you there's a super simple way to have Excel do the heavy lifting for you automatically? Get ready to supercharge your spreadsheet formatting and say goodbye to tedious manual adjustments forever by learning how to auto-adjust column width in Excel. First, we need to select the data you want to adjust. The easiest way to do this is to click the small triangle in the top left corner of your spreadsheet, right where the round numbers and column letters meet. This selects your entire worksheet. Alternatively, if you only want to adjust specific columns, you can click and drag your mouse over the column headers of the columns you wish to resize. Now, with your desired columns selected, either the whole sheet or specific ones, place your mouse cursor over the dividing line between any two column headers. You'll see the cursor change into a double-headed arrow. All you need to do is double-click that dividing line. That's it. Excel will instantly analyze the widest content in each selected column and automatically adjust the column width to perfectly fit it. Look at that, no more cut-off text, no more wasted space. Your data is now clean, organized, and incredibly easy to read. This simple technique can save you so much time and effort, especially when working with large datasets or when you need to frequently share your spreadsheets. So remember, a quick double-click on the column divider is your new best friend for efficient spreadsheet formatting. Master this quick trick, and you'll be presenting your data like a pro in no time. Start auto-adjusting and boost your productivity today.